Hello and welcome back to the wrapping tutorial. This is wrap number 4, arms up. So to start with, you're going to bring your baby's legs up to their tummy, just very gently done so. And you'll probably have to place a hand over them just to help to hold them in place. Then you're going to take your wrap. The center of your wrap is going to lay across your baby's legs. Probably keep your hand over that wrap as well, just to make sure that they don't spring back out again. And you're going to take one end of the wrap and bring it around across the back of your baby and to the opposite arm. And then take the other end and do exactly the same. You're going to take it behind your baby, very gently helping to maneuver them and hold their hands in place a little bit. If they spring out, you can always place them back. Just making sure that it's not twisted. And from the elbow, bringing it down and underneath again the other opposite side where the thighs are, thigh and hip and bottom. And then once you have made sure that that's all nice and taut, and then just tuck the excess underneath the bottom, nice and gently. So then take the other side, and again, just make sure that it's not twisted up. Fold free, keeping it as smooth as possible, and holding that arm in place. Not so tightly, you don't want to be seeing marks or anything on their arms or on their skin because the wrap's too tight. It's just tight enough to encourage them to be held in the right place. So just tuck that excess underneath the other side of the bottom, making sure it's all nice and taut. Try to keep any adjustments to an absolute minimum and always as gently and as delicately as possible. If you need to adjust their arms, then just do it, but try and do minimum movements. If your baby is unsettled and starts to stir, don't forget to place that hand over their chest and their legs and just give them a nice gentle rock. Now, the reason I have changed and moved the position of this baby is in order to create this tutorial for you, I have had to film it from a slightly different angle to how I would ideally photograph because of where the light's coming through from the window and where I can position my video camera. So as you can see, we are going to zoom through my adjustments. On this particular one, I am putting the cloths just along the side of the baby, across the back, just to help give the baby support and stop them from rolling backwards, as I want to just turn them ever so slightly towards the light. Double check that your posing blanket is fold free and you're ready to take your photos.